Hi guys, my name's Belinda. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be colouring up this beautiful oak tree fairy by Crest and Caran. Let's pop in and have a look. So guys, I've got the oak tree fairy here. He's really awesome looking and I couldn't wait to have a go. I wanted to do quite dark skin, so done a couple of layers of Copic markers, and I'm also using Neenah Classic Crest Solar White smooth paper here to do the colouring on. I really enjoyed doing this one. It's nice to be able to do some male characters. I don't get a lot of them, so it's really good. Christine's got a few in her book, the Fairies Grayscale colouring book this one's from. She does actually have a line art version of this book too, so if you don't like Grayscale you could also grab it in line art. If you're interested in checking out the full tutorial on this one and you want to know the colours and maybe even have a conversion to pencils, then you can pop over to Patreon and check out my video over there for patrons. If you have any questions or you'd like to request something from the book, please let me know, because I am going to be doing the whole book, so I don't know what number we're up to here, but we've already done a few. But if you'd like to see one done, please leave a comment in the comments below. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and you'll get notifications when I upload new videos. Also, when I go live and do our live colour alongs. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook and Vero. I will pop all Christine Caran's social links and also where you can buy this book from and everything else in the description below, so check it out. Thanks guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.